Hello guys, got myself a new charger. Company Zeehoo, which sent me this one a month ago. Want me to do a review of this one as well. This one is a little different than this one. This is Magsafe charger. Let's see how that looks. Inside the box you will find this nice little charger which has a sticker on it which we need to remove, and it looks like this. Has a 17mm ball joint and it's charged by USBC. 15 watt charging power for this one. Came with of course the USBC cable from the USB-A to USB-C. 17mm ball with a sticker on the back which you can glue to the dash or whatever you need. Then you have this amazingly nice clip. This one is a spring-loaded one. You can open it by this, and it is a small spring inside here. Hopefully you can see this. This is for the vent. So you clip it over the vent, turn the, what do you call this? Thumb screw back on, and it clamps to the vent. Same 17mm ball joint, which seems to be standard for all the wireless charger that I have seen so far. There is even a spare nut. You have one over here, and then you have a spare one. You have a magnet ring, which you can glue to your phone if you don't have this already. On my phone I have a cover which has this Magsafe ring on it, which means you can click it in place. And then you have a measure something which you can then attach to your phone like this. So you are absolutely sure that you get this. What? Is it possible to see this on the camera? If I turn on the light maybe? Yes. So you take this one and place it in the middle of the phone, and on the side as well, and then you can stick this one on. Yes, that is very clever. But let's see how it's performing. Does it deliver 15 watts like it's supposed to? Let's connect it to the charger and see. All right, let's put the phone in place and see what the tiny little display says. Look at that. 16 watt. That is amazingly nice. That is really nice. Let's take a look at the charger as well. If we take a look at that. This is the charger. Oh, way too bright. Here we have it. Yes. Amazingly nice. The Zeehoo guy also has this very nice, what do you call it, cigarette lighter adapter, which is of an excellent quality. It also has USB-A and a USB-C power delivery port. Both are capable of delivering 15 watts. Very nice piece of kit. Okay, hopefully you can see this 45 watt charger. Zeehoo. Spring loaded, very strong spring. Should make good contact. This one as well is spring loaded. Very hard and will make good contact. On the box you have also some technical data. You can pause the image if you like to read it. The charger also has a very nice RGB LED on the backside. And there's a very small fan. I don't think you can hear it because it's almost no sound from it. But the RGB is very nice. And when you remove the phone, there it stops. Okay. It took about 30 seconds to stop it. There are some nice writing over here as well. Let's see if you can see that. And here it is, guys, installed in my 40-year-old Vanagon. I disassembled the clip and drilled a hole, and here it is. Just put the phone on it and voila, charging. Amazingly nice, eh? I can't help loving this thing. Just fantastic. And you can adjust it as it is on a ball. Fantastic. Just fantastic. Okay guys, that's the short introduction, unboxing of this Zeehoo charger. I don't remember the name of it. It's called IC80S. IC for ice cooling or something. I will provide links for it, so you can click and check it out for yourself. It's really nice. Kind of heavy as well. 15 watts, guys. 15 watts. Okay, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.